Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only Google Slides presentation from Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So basically, you've been given access to a view-only Google Drive and you can't download it or copy anything from it. And the first step to download it is to go up to the URL and you're going to see edit ?slide, then some other characters. What I want you to do is, I want you to drag everything until the final slash, then press the backspace or delete key. Then I want you to type in htmlpresent. And once you do that, I want you to press the enter key. And now you're going to be given a htmlpresent version of the slideshow, which just contains the data of the slideshow. You won't be able to edit the file, but if you want a local copy of a presentation that's view only, this is how you do it. The next step is, I want you to press F12 on your keyboard to open up your developer tools, or you can click on the button up here, then go to more tools, then go to developer tools. After that, you're going to want to go to the network tab. You can do so by clicking on this button here. However, if you don't see the network tab, maybe because your developer tools are really small like this, what you can do is you can click on the More Tabs button here. Then you can click on the Network button in the drop-down menu. I recommend you drag it out so you can see more of the developer tools. And in the Network tab, I want you to click on Reload Page. Once you do that, you're going to see some entries in this table. And more importantly, you're going to see a htmlpresent entry. Then I want you to right click on it and click on Open in New Tab. Once you've done this, what I then want you to do is, I want you to right click and then click on Save As. Make sure you right click anywhere on this web page and then click on Save As. Then you need to download it. You can give it any name you like, however, it needs to end with .html. And the save as type needs to be webpage HTML only. If it's not that, you're going to be downloading code that's going to stop you from printing the htmlpresent version of the Google slideshow. Then click on save. Once it's downloaded, you can either click on the notification here, or you can go to show in folder. And then in the file explorer, you can right click, go to open with, then go to Google Chrome, Firefox, or whatever web browser you want. And now you've opened up the file locally, then you can go up to the button here, then click on Print. And look, you're able to get all of the data from the view-only Google Slideshow on Google Drive, and you can now print it. So you can either print it to your printer, or you can print it as a PDF. So let's click on Save. We then click on Save. Then we need to navigate to where the PDF is. We're going to open it up, and as you can see, it's got all of the data. It doesn't fully maintain the slide division. However, let's say you've got some important lecture notes, or maybe this is your company pension policy, and it's something you just need a local copy of so you can read it later on. This is perfect. So, thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.